Today is a special day. I'm gonna get my tattoo refreshed. I've been having it for, I think, almost 5 years now. And it was never dark black from the beginning. But now it has just become grey, whitish. People ask me if I'm trying to get it removed, which I definitely don't. So it's time for a fresh up. Ooh, it's gonna be a bit painful, but I'm ready for it. The tattoo studio I went to was really clean and comfy. And when my friend started working, I felt really comfortable. He was carefully drawing the lines in order not to mess up the incivity. And when it was time for the biggest symbol, the chi, we were discussing if we should do shadings or just plain black. We tried the shadings, but I preferred the plain, so he covered it up.